Here is how we can see images on the Google Maps. Let me guide you through it and explain it. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So it kind of depends on what you mean specifically, but of course we can get inside of the Google Maps. And if I zoom in randomly somewhere, I'm going to have the option to see the images either for individual landmarks and points of interest on the map. So for example, if I tap on some of the things which I can find on the map, right? Some kind of like Independence Hall, right? If I tap on it, I can see the images for that particular thing. Those images are uploaded by people around the world, so it's a nice way to browse like the images for landmarks. However, if you mean that the like images in terms of like moving around the street and so on, it is called Street View, and you can basically find any compatible or supported place. Most of those streets are going to work, and I can hold down on any of the streets like this. So I can hold down like that. I dropped the pin, and above that I have a little icon right there. So you can see this is what it looks like. This is the icon that we need to click on, and then this is going to open up the street view. So I can move around this random street, right? And I can move forward by tapping like this, and you know, you can basically move around as much as you want. And that's like the whole point of the street view, right? So you can get inside like this and basically move. You can even see more dates and go back into the past. So very useful stuff. And that is how it kind of works. So you can not only just hold down on individual streets, but if I click on, I don't know, some kind of like restaurant in here, I can tap the restaurant, and also it should give me the street view if it's available next to it. So if I look it up, you can see it from the street right here. So if you mean this type of images, then this is how it would work. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. If you meant something completely different, then leave a comment below so I can make updated videos about it. But for now, that's it, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.